Cad é seo?
Seachtain na
Gaeilge. No, fáid. Tá trafúr Gaeilgeoir.
Anwa?
Cabáiste, Sneachta.
Agus cadastit.
M.A. Sanam Dum.
Agus cadastit. Where are you from? Anwa cúpla focail agat?
Neil. No.
Because you're from the Netherlands.
Yes.
Right.
Texas.
Texas. Wow. So Texan na Gaeilge and seo.
And then they don't understand what I'm saying.
Do you have a few words?
When we hear it, we think, oh, we love the
Yeah, we say
sound.
all the day. We say
sound.
to each other, "Oh, I hear it again."
So I really think it's part of our heritage. It's a really important part of our whole culture, you know. Bhfuil gach duine kind of Gaeilge, tá sé seachtain na Gaeilge, bliain seo so leabhar tras Gaeilge, tá sé teangas fearr.
I used to have a lot more words, but I've regressed a little bit because I'm living abroad. But it's a fantastic language, and I'm proud to have a few words that I have.
Sláinte. Sláinte.
Sláinte.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.